I'm Katie Crawford-Garrett. I'm the 7th grade ELA teacher here at ANS. I also teach AP English Literature. One of the things we're most proud of here at ANS is that we foster personalized learning and student agency through the use of Readers and Writers Workshop. In the Readers Workshop, our goal is to match students to a text using our expansive classroom libraries, and then to deepen their engagement with that text by teaching specific reading strategies that help them grow as readers. In Writers Workshop, we take a similar approach. Students write a lot at ANS. We follow the writing process where they draft, revise, and then publish their work. We make sure that our students have real audiences for their writing, whether that's other students, faculty members, parents. We make sure that their work is shared widely in the community. For example, in 7th grade, we finished an argumentative writing unit about social media, where students talked about and investigated the pros and cons of social media. Then the students hosted a social media expo in the library where they shared their work with the wider community and encouraged other students to consider when and how they use social media and for what purpose. The foundation we lay in middle school for our readers and writers extends into the high school years. Our high school delegation for ASIA just won for the 6th year in a row, which is evidence of the incredible reading, writing, and speaking skills that our students develop here at ANS.